have our Reebok clone, so we will just start creating our front end, and we will start creating the landing component right now. So in my files, I have only these files that it's all empty, but I will just create and start from scratch the landing component, and I will use Tailwing CSS the whole component. I will not use any external CSS or anything, but I will use Tailwing CSS. So you will learn a lot and understand a lot using these Tailwing CSS classes. And so let me create this. I will just remove that landing, and I will make it 3 section, and that the first section is going to be a header, the second section will be the main, and the other section I will make the in footer. Let me create the header section right now. Let me add some class names here. Before doing that, I will just go to my app.js. Then I have inventory management system header right there. This is my localhost 3000. My front end is running on 3000, that localhost. So I have only this header, so I will just remove that, and I will import my component as landing page. So I will just hit control space so to get the auto import. So I will just go to my landing page, then I will add some style here, and I will just use here one header. Let me create a div. I will use the header 1, and I will just say what we're building is the inventory management, right? So I will just say that is inventory management system. Inventory management system, right? Let me make it capital, management system. Okay, I will just make this. That is enough, guys. So let me go to my, okay, we have our header here, you can see. So let me zoom out a little bit. So I will just create that and make the minimum height to be screen. I'll just make the whole component the minimum height screen, and I will just use some background. Don't worry about this background. I have, I will just make background gray, then I will just give a gray light. I will just gray light. I will make that 100. So I will just say flux, and we will make these 3 sections to be in a column. So I will make it column. After that, we'll see that we have a light here. You see, I have a light. That component that is already removed because we already have our own background color. So I just give it big background gray light. So, and I make these 3 divs, these 3 sections to be in flux column. Then I will just style my header first. Let me style my header, and I will give a class name here. Also, I will just give a class name here. So in my header, it will have one header and one button. Okay, so I will just say that button is gonna hold my login component. My login, this is gonna be my login button. Okay, we don't have a, we'll use later React router DOM, but right now I will just make it with a tag. I will just give that to be the login. It will go to that, and I will say login. Okay, so I'll just go back and see I have here beautiful. Okay, let me install this. Okay, I will have the, in that header I will just make background to be white. I will make the background white, then I will make shadow. I will give a small shadow. I will not give any color, but I will just say make it shadow, and it will have that. So in this div that holds the header and the button, let me make this also. I give the max width will be 7XL. that I will make the maximum auto to be in a, okay, I just give the auto. Okay, automatically flex, and I will just say padding to be y6. Okay, also I will say bx will be like 4, so to go from left and right. Okay, see, I have a padding also, and I have a padding from here, so I will use, okay, and I have the padding left, right. Okay, when I will go that small screen is, I will have padding x also to left from right to be 6, and I will create a flex. Then it will be item is center, item is center. It's gonna be item is center, and I will just divide between. Okay, I will just divide between. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. See the corner, and this is also corner. Okay, let me go to my header. I will just go to my header, and I will give a class name also. I will say class name. The text will be large, and it's gonna be like 3XL, and I will make the font to be bold. Font will be, I will just go to with bold. I'll just go to font would be bold. Text gray. I'll make the text gray. Let me give like 700. Oh, that's enough. Okay, I can make like 800 if you want. That it's gonna be go more dark if you want. You can make. So also I will just come to here with that button, and I will give a class name. In that class name, I will say padding from right on left will be 5. See, all right, let me give the background. That will, you will see how it is. Background, let me make it orange, and okay, where I'm putting that, it's just my orange is gonna be like 700. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let me make it padding inside to be 2. I'll just make the padding, because when you give padding, that is gonna remove the inside padding. Okay, or I will just make the tags like, make the tags, let me make slate like gray, like 700. It will be gonna be dark. Okay, so I will just go and make, I will give a hover, be the text is light, also like light color. I will make that light. Let me make 200. When I hover, you see, beautiful. Okay, so I will make the rounded large. Okay, I will make the rounded 2XL. Okay, because I want to make it rounded. Beautiful. You see that? That is a beautiful, guys. More style you want, you can add if you want. So I will just leave it like that, and I will come to my component, that main section. Also, I have an image here, guys. You see, I have already image. I hope you have when you clone that repo. It's just I get from bigpixel.com, so it's nothing that fancy. I'll just use it here. You can use any color you want. You just can go to Pixelis anywhere to get the image, grab that. It's just inventory class name, or the inventory image, like, you know, people in the inventory walking. Okay, let me give this one flag scroll. I'll just give that flag scroll. Then I will add inside and style. Okay, internal style, and I will make the background. I will make the background. Okay, like, what is that background? Okay, I will make the background to be that image. Okay, I will just make that image. Okay, I will use that backticks. I will make the URL. Then I will just say, where is that, what we name PG image. Okay, PG image. Let me save it, Control S. Okay, I think I have it. See, that is beautiful, guys. We have, it's only this image that we have. Okay, let me also add the, okay, I will just name like, put like a header Also, I want to see that what it is that I'm doing. Okay, this is inventory management, right? Let me put some header inside that picture. Okay, top of it. I'll just give that in a header, like as well as like inventory management system, right? So we also have to give that. I will just give like header 3. Okay, I will say like inventory system. Okay, okay, warehouse. Okay, let's say warehouse. Okay, warehouse department. Okay, we'll just leave it like warehouse department. I don't see that, so I have to add some styles here. Okay, so you want to see that, so you have to add some more styles here, guys. And let me put some styles there. I have to make this also class name I give, and I will make the maximum width as well as same that one, like 7XL. I will give that 7XL. Also, I will just make to be auto from anything, like, see. I will just let me add some also padding to be 6, as well as, okay, in the small screen I will just say make left from right to be 6. Also make the, okay, let me create the, okay, large screen. I will make the to be left from right to be 8. Okay, 8. Okay, I save, Control S. The large screen is okay. I don't see that. See, this is my warehouse department. Okay, so I just have to add all more styles in this div that holds our warehouse, that our header 3. So let me make this. I will make that to be border. I will make this border. I will give like 4. That our border be 5. The size will be 4. So I will make dash it. Okay, I will make dash it. So I will give a color border to be gray, so I can see the border that I give, and I will make that 200. Okay, let me see how it is. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. We just have to center this. Okay, that on. So I will just make that rounded to be also large. I will make it large, and I will make the height to be, I want to center. Okay, I will give that 96. Okay, okay, that is beautiful. Okay, flex. Okay, I will make it flex. So I will make the items to be center. I will make the item is center. Then I will justify to be in center also. Okay, as well as same. Okay, that is beautiful, guys. See, and I have to just add some text here. Let me put some text here. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, I will make a class name. I will make the text to be a little large, and that is gonna be like 2XL. The font would be semi-bold. I will make the font be semi-bold. Okay, you can give any bold that you want. You can just have your own font, and you can just go to the Google font that can get any font that you want. So I'll just make the gray to be like 200. Okay, let me see how that is set. Okay, I can see it right now. Okay, so it's not that fancy, it's not crazy, but it's working, guys. Okay, so what I will do that, so I just need that inventory footer right now. Okay, so we just have to get the inventory. Okay, so we have the, okay, let me add one more div so I can get like, okay, like I will just add one more div, guys, here. Okay, let me add this one more div. Okay, so I will have that so beautiful design here. So you have to go this thing through. So let me check it. If you want to remove it, you can remove, but let me see how that look like. See, and I will give another like pixel to be 4. So I will make the padding inside to be 6. In small, I will just make the px to be, okay, make 0. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. See, it's getting like in the center, removing from top on. Okay, let me add that my, okay, let me see how the footer look like. Okay, so I will go to the footer and I will create a div here. So in that div I will just add a paragraph and I will say, okay, I will use that and sign, and I will say copy semicolon. Hope you remember this HTML tag is that. Okay, let me see 2024. I'll make 2024 inventory management system. Okay, I'll just add like all right reserved. Okay, all right reserved. Okay, let me see how this look like. Okay, what is that? My, oh, see, that is my footer in under. It just like goes under there. Okay, see, that's the sign that when we use that at and Kobe, I will just see that C rounded, you know, the website they have, I don't know, but you know, you just have to use it. So I just add a small stylus here also. So I just want this to be the background, or we'll make the, okay, white, make it white. Okay, whatever it is, you know, I will just small shadow, add small shadow, and I will make the margin to be top from like 8. Okay, I also have to give this a class name, so some designs here. I have to make like same as like maximum width. I have to give like 7XL, you know, so we have to give like same size that when you creating the, you just have to also be in order. Okay, I will make maximum auto. Okay, padding Y. Okay, let me make some, give some padding from top bottom. So I will just give our padding content to be some, have padding like left right. In the small screen I will give a padding also as well. In the left right it will be 6. In the large screens I will give to be right from like 8. Well, let me see how that is look like. Okay, see, I have a beautiful, okay, I will center that. Okay, let me center this, let me center that. Okay, class name, I'll just say text to be center. Okay, I'll make that text to go center. Beautiful. Okay, I will just make the color be gray, like some gray, like, let me make gray 500. Okay, I'll just give a gray 500. Okay, okay, I have this. Okay, all right, what else that we need to add, guys? I don't think that will be the I don't think we need that much. Okay, later on we will add more designs that it can help our landing and component like more beautiful UI, to get more beautiful UI. Even we already, this is enough. Okay, you can see that's much enough. I don't want to make this long video, but you know, in the next